I've been a farm kid my whole life. There's absolutely no replacement to being out here in the fall in the field, harvesting what you planted in the spring, standing out in the middle of the field, working, harvesting with your family, friends. I'm Jeremy Wilson. I own and operate a farm with my cousin Matt, about 5 miles north of Onley. We run about 1,200 acres of corn, soybeans, and as well as some winter wheat. And we're here to talk about the Smart Cart from Topcon, a tool that I've been using for the last several years and have been really happy with the output we get from the system. So our process before Smart Cart, we had a traditional Digistar scale, and we recorded all of those weights in a notebook, as well as recorded them into the trucks that they were loaded into. And then at the end of the season, I'd come back in and enter all that information into Excel. And then I would take it to process what the dry yields were from every field that we harvested. Now that we've moved to Smart Cart, it's really streamlined that process. Probably the biggest difference we've made is there's less time spent dealing with scale data every fall. But I believe that I'm probably collecting more accurate data because there's less human intervention involved. So the Smart Cart tracks three important pieces, yes. It tracks GPS location, it tracks moisture, and it tracks weight. Moisture's a big deal. In corn, it's a big deal, and getting that shrink right. Now with the Smart Cart, the TAP system just outputs that data into an Excel spreadsheet where I can go do the processing, create those reports that used to take, a few hours every evening, now takes a matter of a minute every evening to have those reports done. Here you go, you can see there's my field ID of what field that data was recorded in. Here is the date at which it happened. There's the timestamps of all of those loads, but more importantly, we can see that we harvested 229,940 pounds of soybeans off of that particular field. Smart Cart has brought to us is streamlining at the end of the day processes. So what we have to do every evening when we get done harvesting before we get to go home. The other thing it's done is brought more accuracy to our yield data. The Smart Cart has brought automation that has basically eliminated work for me and others on the farm. It's removing error in my operation more than anything.